Now I'm finna use this. Now I'm finna use this. Now I'm finna use it. Now I'm finna use it.
Yo, what's good with the video? What's good? So, we are back today with a new video, and today I'm going to literally be finding comments in the YouTube shit, and I'm going to make a song out of people's comments. But we're gonna use the notepad to write down the lyrics and then, you know, structure the shit out. I've actually done this already. I actually have a song that I made yesterday from doing this shit. But what happened was the video had me skipping out my voice. This is the reason why I'm so close to the mic. I'm not trying to have my voice skip out and then literally I can't hear my shit. So I had to delete that video, but I dropped the song. If you want to go listen to that, go to my archive in the description below. My archive account where I post pretty much my music, ones that I don't want to go on my main. You know me? But we're gonna get back into this video right now.
So this is the voiceover version of it. Pretty much my audio got fucked and I didn't feel like redoing the video, so I'm gonna tell y'all what it is. So basically what you could do in this shit and how I'm gonna do this shit. How I'm gonna do this shit is I'm gonna go in the comments. I'm gonna find comments that say, for example, hey bro, that shit is hard, or I fuck with that bro. And I write it down onto the notepad and I basically just align it to where it's a song. And then I find whatever rhymes with the last word or syllable at the end of the sentence. And you just keep on going over and over again. It's pretty much what it is. But yeah, let me get back into the video.
Hey, I'm gonna use this. Use this. I'm gonna use this. Holy shit. Gotta make hella songs. What's my mic up, man? Gotta make hella songs. What's my mic up, man? I be getting the bad, that nigga be broke. We get that money that ate. That nigga lame on a joke. Alright, chat. So I'm about to play the fucking song right now. I don't want to say I'm the pioneers of this shit, but I would say literally, nah, fuck that. I don't even really know if there's anybody on this shit doing it. Yeah, man, that's dude. So y'all enjoy the video. Peace out.
This is good, holy shit, talented for real. It's a Pluggnb-ish, talented for real. It's a Pluggnb-ish, EB, yeah, major. Grinding on placements in the major. All it takes is time, with time you'll get better. I went back and listened and it still sound better. Almost at 700, I seen the growth. What VST are the bells from, bro? What are the odds? Tiny pole. Grinding on placements, yeah, you the GOAT. Nah, finna use this. This is so fucking good, holy shit. Gotta make hella songs once my mic come in. Gotta make hella songs once my mic come in. Yeah, I'm liking this. Yeah, I'm inspired by this shit. Yeah, I'm finna use this. This is good, holy shit. Talented for real. It's a Pluggnb-ish. Talented for real. It's a Pluggnb-ish.
It's that Pluggnb shit.